Hey everyone, welcome to a Good e-Reader unboxing video. My name is Michael.
This is Peter.
We have here the Pocketbook Inkpad 3, which is the latest generation e-reader that this company has released. The main selling points, it's 7.8 inches, e-ink Carta. It has the new smart light system, so instead of the light being white, you also have the ability to warm it up with different degrees of like orange. And this is the second Pocketbook e-reader that's employed it. The first one was the Pocketbook Touch HD 2, which came out last year. And in this video, we're going to pop it open, give you a sense of the build quality, take a look at the overall design, and give you our first impressions.
Looking it over on the back, Pocketbook's always very nice at including their full list of specs in various different languages, so that's always really nice of them to do because they are an international multilingual company. So we're going to open this up for the first time. So just open this up. So their box themes have pretty much been the same in this recent generation. They've had the unit kind of front and center with the selling specs at the bottom. This one is a very large screen. It is 7.8, unlike the 6s and the smaller screen sizes. This one's actually quite big. You have the micro USB to 3.5mm headphone jack for the audio capabilities. You want to hold on to that. Do not eat this, it's not edible. And you have micro USB full cable right there for transferring data to and from the device and charging it. We'll put that aside for now. Once again, multi-languages for the warranty card. We're just gonna open these.
It says please open, so let's not let them down.
So when you drop it, it's okay because he has a parachute. And if he has to fight things, he has a sword and a shield. So we're gonna read every single word from this warranty guide. No, I'm just kidding. But we have many different languages here: Bulgarian, Lithuanian. Oh my gosh, there must be like 20 languages here. Warranty card. Hold on to that. And we'll just brief over the quick start guide. You're gonna see things like little pullouts of how what everything refers to, how to get it going for the first time, and once again multiples of different languages. You have the forward and back buttons, home buttons, and the more button. On the bottom you have the power button, the micro SD, and the micro USB.
Yeah, it increases maximum to 32 gigs.
You can see that there is no 3.5 on there, hence the cable adapter, enabling you to get the port externally. The back is very nice. It's not too, the thing's not too light, and there's not too much of a space between there, so it kind of sounds creaky. There's nothing on any of the sides, keeping it a very clean look. And the color, hard to really say. It's kind of like a, I don't know, like a kind of gunmetal-y. I don't know their official color code, but it's basically gray.
Thanks for watching, everyone. For GoodEreader.com, my name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Everybody.